guys want to open this thing up? Good job. Let's get a knife. Putting the canopy together. Putting the canopy on the airplane, on the fuselage. The canopy opens, you can look inside the airplane. Very cool. Wing snaps on. That didn't work, because we got to put the snappers on there.
Snapper on the snapper tool. Snapper on snapper tool.
Okay, now put the snapper off. Pull the snapper tool off. Good job. 3 more to go. Yeah, sharks in there. Now we got all the snappers in, ready to put the fuselage on.
Mom, we need a door. We need a.
What next? Engines? The engines need different snappers. Yellow snappers. Good job.
One engine on.
One engine on. One engine on.
One engine on. One more to go. So now we just have to put the wheels on. Now we have to put the wheels on.
The landing gear is complicated. There's so many parts.
We need some wheels. We need some wheels. I have my wheels.
So we gotta take the tires and put them on the wheel hubs. So just push them through like this. We need some more parts. Maybe we should look at the directions. What do you think, Anna?
I think that's a great place to start.
Looks like we need to find these parts.
We're not missing a wheel. See, we are missing a wheel because of light.
Should we open it up?
Yeah, why not?
Oh, I mentioned before. I forgot.
The nose wheel takes the small tires.
Hello. Hey, small tires.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Can I help you guys?
Of course. Main landing gear assembled.
My hat.
Let's put it on.
My hat.
I do like your hat. One main gear, just one more main landing gear to go. Okay, guys, what's next?
The tail.
Oh yeah, that's an important part.
We need the light. It's an important part. It's flying away.
Light goes on top of the tail.
It's flying away. Boy.
Good job. We need to put the tail on.
And the door.
And then the door. And the windows, too. Man, this door is complicated. And it has some extra parts that go with this. Maybe we should look at the directions for this one, too. We have these 2 parts, but we need that 3rd part, huh? Let's go try and find it. You found it? Sweet. The door is complete. Now it's ready to be installed. This is a tricky part. You gotta get it in right inside there. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah. Door complete. What's next?
Windows. I need some windows. It's made.
The little vertical pieces, and those got to be on the vertical sides, and that's why they go in like that. Then you snap it.
I know what can I think I can. I know.
Looks like the airplane's complete. Now what do we do?
No,
Do we start working on the inside?
we
Oh, good idea. I think all the stickers are for the control tower.
This one's not.
Oh yeah, those are instruments for inside the airplane.
Yeah.
Nice application. Now it's a real airplane.
The seat.
The seats? Oh, but the seats need to have the clickers. Here's your clicker tool. Here's a seat. It's ready to go in.
Only one seat here. Actually, it's a seat of the plane.
Passenger airplane.
I'll place it first. I'll place it.
All these seats are complete. What's next? Bathroom?
Yep.
Bathroom.
Here's the bathroom.
The door closes. The toilet seat closes. It even has toilet paper
And the airplane.
and a water fountain. Looks like it needs some snappers to stay in place. So the bathroom separates the passenger area from the cargo area. Can you put the cargo in there? Ready for takeoff. Ready for takeoff, except for there's no pilots. We need some pilots. Dump our little parts out into the bin so we don't lose them.
Yeah, why? A real suitcase.
Whoa.
No problem.
You're clear for takeoff.
Not yet. I have that.
You need a passenger?